Welcome to this tutorial on filtering all your media in WordPress in just a few minutes. In this guide, you will learn how to navigate to your WordPress dashboard, access your media library, and apply the filter options to view only your own media uploads. Let us begin by first visiting your WordPress website. Open your web browser and type in your WordPress site address. Once the page loads, you will see the home page of WordPress. After you have reached the WordPress homepage, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you will notice the login option. Click on the login button to proceed. This action will take you to the sign in page, which is the gateway to the various administrative features available on your site. Following this, you will want to authenticate your access using your Google account. On the login page, you will see an option labeled Continue with Google. When you select this option, a new window or prompt will appear asking you to choose one of your Google accounts. Go ahead and pick the account that you have previously associated with your WordPress setup. This step simplifies the login process and ensures a secure connection to your website without needing to enter additional credentials. Once you are logged in through your Google account, it is time to access your media library. Navigate to the section dedicated to your media content. Although some elements on the screen may have links embedded, the key action here is to locate the media library within your WordPress admin interface. This section is where all your uploaded images, videos, and documents reside in an organized list or grid format. In the media library interface, direct your focus on the drop-down menu that is labeled with all media items. Click on this drop-down. You will notice the menu presents you with various options for viewing your media items. The list is designed to help you sort and filter through the potentially large number of media uploads on your site. Afterward, you will see an option that clearly indicates Mine. This option is particularly helpful if you are the primary uploader and want to only see the media files that you have personally uploaded to your WordPress site. By clicking on Mine, the view is updated to display only your uploads. You should see a noticeable shift in the list as it filters out media that does not belong to your account. Finally, complete the process by selecting the filter option. Clicking on filter finalizes your choice, and the media list will now only show the files that match your specific user criteria. This simple yet efficient method of filtering media ensures that if you have a large library, you can quickly locate and work with your content. By following these steps, you can manage your media library with greater ease, making it simpler to organize, update, or remove any files you no longer need. This concludes the step-by-step guide for filtering all your media in WordPress. We hope that this walkthrough has been clear and informative, allowing you to confidently manage your WordPress media library. Enjoy the ease and efficiency that comes with mastering these filtering techniques.